Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Vishnu. Masya, Kurma, Varaha, Masima, Vavana, Vashurama, Rava, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
National symbols. Father of the nation.
Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhiji.
National flower.
National flower, lotus.
National animal.
National animal, tiger.
National sea animal.
National sea animal, dolphin.
National bird.
National bird, peacock.
National vegetable.
National vegetable, pumpkin.
National language.
National language,
Hindi.
Hindi.
National calendar.
National calendar, Shaka calendar.
National book.
National book, Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
National game, hockey.
National tree.
National tree, banyan tree.
National river.
National river, Ganga.
National flag colors.
National flag color, saffron, white and green.
Jnanapita award winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita award winners of Karnataka, Kuveಂಪು, Rarareji, Vishwanath Pratap Singh,
V.K.
V.K. Gokar, Yura Ganpate, Vinish Mamat, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance of India, Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Kerala, Kaka Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri Manipur, Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh, Odissi Odisha, Chattiya Assam, Makkhinda Madhya Pradesh, Gandhia Gujarat, Yashakana Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Madhurari, Narmada, Periyar, Tamirabarani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Planets in solar system.
8 planets in solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world, Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
Religions in India.
Religion India, Hinduism, Islam, Iswariti, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India, Assami, Bengali, Dodo, Dodi, Gujarati, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus, Vasanta Rutu, Isha Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar month, Chaitra, Vashada, Jesha, Ashada, Shravana, Madhapara, Ashida, Kartika, Magashira, Pusha, Nada, Paguna.
Main agricultural products.
Major forest, rice, beet, jute, sugarcane, cotton, bee, coffee.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India,
Mumbai.
Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka, Pulkeshi, Krishna Devaraya, Vishnu Vardhana, Mayura Varma, Amoda Vash
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Most popular international airport in India.